To expand your images in Canva, first of all, you will need to have a Canva Pro subscription. If you don't have it, this feature won't work. So when you have your subscription ready, select the specific photo that you want to expand and click on Edit on the top left corner of the screen. Now we need to go to the Magic Studio and then select the last option, which is the Magic Expand. Now we can freeform it. So in this case, I want it to fit the entire Canva like this. And when we have it ready, we can click on Expand, and it will use AI to expand that image into a wider range. So let's wait a moment until it's finished. And as you can see, it works not good, but I think it depends on the image that you're using. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.